Welcome to Trucking with Fitz. Today we get our load delivered to Geneseo, and then we pick up in Galesburg, and it's really an easy day. Do end up getting down a no truck road. Ends up working out just fine, but comment down below some stories of your experience with no truck roads. And then we finish off the day today washing the truck. So it's a good day. Stay tuned for some trucking. I just went down a street that said no trucks over 12,000 pounds. The sign was too far down the road that I couldn't see. And I could see the end of my street where I needed to turn and that I was clear. So I just went. I didn't stop, didn't back. I mean, there was no place for me to turn around, and I could physically see that I could make it where I needed to go. So that happened. Hopefully, I'm gonna get pulled over. The street I'm turning on now, I went for like half a mile on this incorrect street. The street that I'm turning on now is the truck route, so sometimes stupid things happen. Trucker path for the lose. Somehow I lost my subscription to Trucker Path, so I'm not actually on mapping. But honestly, I don't know that I'm going to renew it because the amount of times that Trucker Path is wrong and tries to send me down a road I shouldn't go down is ridiculous. Goes a cop. Apparently he didn't see me go down the wrong road because he didn't turn around. That's good. Where I'm turning is the same spot this semi up here is at. I don't know that I can make my turn with him there. I'm gonna block everybody because he's wide, so I ain't gonna make it. He needs to go. He better go after this. Come on, bud. You better go. Thank you. School bus isn't going to be nice. I'm gonna stare right at her. Where is she going? This person isn't gonna be nice either. He better just move because I'm coming. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to get where I need to be. Shipping and receiving. Do I need to follow? No, I don't. Okay. It's got an arrow. It says go back there. So I will. Okay. Isn't this fun? This is fun. Shipping office right there. So I need to park right here so I have room to go inside. All right, bye. Oh, West End. The lady was in there talking on the phone for 5 minutes, ignoring that I was there, and just for me to find out that I needed to go somewhere else. Can I get through this way? Where do I go? trying to figure out what the best way to get over there is. If I should just turn around. Looks like I can get through here. Yeah, I can get through here. We're gonna go this way. See if I'm looking dumb and have to back out. Hope not. Good so far. Trucks are coming out right here. Hoppers. Oh no. Oh, we're good. We got plenty of room. Still looking a little dumb here, but you know, we've already looked dumb a lot this morning, so what's new? What's new? Nothing. I'll look dumb again, I'm sure. I look dumb on a daily basis. These guys are all hoppers picking up seed. Interesting. Loading him out of super sacks. It's like I need to turn into here. Let's get a little tighter. This is not extremely enjoyable. Should have been coming the other way. But didn't know. Poorly labeled. What a surprise. Good news is there's place for me to pull forward here, so I can get wiggled to the right spot. Hopefully. I'll let you go and get this vac in. Okay, we're done. 8:30. Majority of the time that was wasted when I was standing in the office at the other end of the building while somebody decided to waste my time. What a surprise. Okay, let's get these doors closed. Hopefully I have room to around the doors. Or on the steps. I should. Maybe. Yeah, we're good. I almost had a load out of here once. Whoops. Me being dumb. Look at that. What a surprise. I do dumb stuff. I already got my pallet jack strapped in here. Good to go. We're gonna go with the truck route out. Shall we? I don't think anybody's waiting for me. I don't know for sure. At any rate, we're done. Full lock. I might have to back up. Oh no, oh my god. Oh, I can't see my corner. because my... Okay. These trucks are all hoppers, so they weren't waiting for me. Whoops, wrong app. Macro point. Let's tell them we got delivered. Some nice trucks though. So I had a truck like that. They're beautiful. I can't see a thing right now. Okay, I'm gonna go see if I can figure out how to get out of here. Oh, good. Goody goody, they want me to take a scan of my BOL. Good timing. That's fine. I can do that. Nope. Is there anybody behind me? Oh, there is now. I can stick it fine. Got it. Alright. Use photo. Submit. Good. Okay. You guys still there? Yeah, you are. Let's head to Galesburg. I got to go south here because I'm assuming this is the truck route. How far I gotta go down? I don't know. I suppose I'll find out. Maybe this goes all the way to the highway. By highway, I mean 80. Let's take a look-see. Rough crossing. Okay. Does it go all the way highway? Yes, it does, but... I'm looking at my phone right now. I'm not sorry. Let's go to my next load. Also Genesee, or also RXO. There's Main Street. There's where I turned last time. So the road I'm on right now goes all the way down to Highway 6. So. 48 minutes down to Galesburg. It does want me to go to 74, which is fine. I'll do that. This road goes down to 6. I will turn right. I will go. Then we have a left turn, and then we get on 80. Okay. Good to go. I know what I'm doing now. It's always nice to know what you're doing. I'm lost sometimes. All right, doesn't matter. What's going on? I'm gonna let you go because we're gonna drive down to Galesburg and go someplace we've been before. Y'all recognize this? Yeah, you should because we were here a couple days ago. Huh? Correctional facility here too. How exciting. How many trucks will be in front of us? I don't see any trucks in there right now. That's awesome. Oh, one. He was here the other day. That didn't go well. Ow. Bumped that pretty good. We're gonna go run in here and see if we can get checked in. I have a feeling we're gonna be picking up down the way rather than where we were in last time we were here. It's 9:45. And we're done. empty boxes. Per usual. You chill right there for a second. No seal going on here. Like I say, it's just empty boxes, dirty boxes, going to Tri-Rinse in Sioux City. Gotta let RXO know that we are loaded. Scribble a little bit in the log book, and then decide which way I'm gonna go, because I ain't going by the scale. So I could just go on 34 and hit Mount Pleasant, you know, Burlington, Mount Pleasant, or I could go through Muscatine, but I'm gonna figure that out. It's been a beautiful drive. We're in Cedar Rapids, South Cedar Rapids right now. We're gonna stop at Subway. What a surprise, right? We didn't take any crazy routes like down to Burlington or anything like that. It was significantly slower, so I didn't. We avoided stress a different way. Just been cruising at 65 on I-80 and 380 here. And just chilling. I got no rush to be anywhere. I'm way early. Gonna be getting home way early, so. Tried to book a load. I almost got a load. It wasn't gonna be a short one like I was hoping for. You'll see if I have a feeling that it's still gonna happen, because this same guy yesterday was like, oh, my coworker covered it, and then 5 minutes later I had to load. So I don't know. We'll see what shakes. But it was a load going from Sioux City, probably the same place I'll be dropping off, and headed to Leroy, Illinois. So way down there, close to Farmer City, southeast of Bloomington. Bloomfield? Oh, I can't remember which one it is. Decatur area. Champaign, Decatur, all the, you know, that little corridor. Right at the very tippy tip of how far I'll go. But it was gonna pay $1,300, which was pretty good. I had originally offered him $1,550 for it, because he didn't tell me what his rate was on it. He should have just told me a rate. Brokers are annoying. Thinking they're gonna get something over on me. Good, here we go. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Like I said, it's still gonna happen. I had the same sort of situation happen on my last load, and all of a sudden then I do have it. Right now, let's see if I could hit the curb. I didn't. Go quickly, Mr. Beamer. Thank you. I need the whole lane. It Looked like there was some spots open. So we'll scoot around here, get parked in a spot, get some lunch, then we'll get back with you. Well, I couldn't get myself to pay for a truck wash. And you can see that I didn't do the best job in some places where I couldn't reach at all whatsoever. I don't have a power washer. I washed it myself, guys. It's 50 degrees outside today, so here in Iowa in January, that's a miracle. It's a miracle. Trailer, I didn't do that well. I mean, it was just a rinse job. I just rinsed it off. But compared to what it was, I don't know what that's from. I didn't do that. Was that there? I think it was there. I can't remember. I haven't hit anything. This is the part that's still dirty, but we got the majority of the salt off. It's a lot better than it was. It was crunchy. We'll just call it crunchy. Oh. But yeah, this was just rinsed. The truck I scrubbed. So scrub the rims, scrub the tanks. They didn't come that clean. They need polished, but not my truck. I'm not polishing it. Sorry, I can't get myself to go that far. I'll wash it, but as of right now, I'm not going to polish it. Anyway, got our load of boxes in the box for Sioux City tomorrow. It's 4:20, 4:30 in the afternoon right now. I don't even remember what time it is. It's somewhere in there. And we're parked up. Easy day today. It was great. But it still paid pretty well. Haven't booked anything for after this tomorrow. Called on a couple loads. Like I said, I almost got another RXO load, but that one fell through. They didn't never call back. It was posted again for a second, and I emailed the guy. He's like, "Oh, sorry, I'll get that down." The other option that I'm looking at is running back over to Clarion, which is fine. If there's enough rate in it, I could make it work. It's a TQL load, and it's going to Decatur, Illinois. So again, it's right at the very tip of what I'm willing to do. So we'll see if that comes to. I called on it, and he asked me what I wanted for it, and I told him 13, and he said he really needed to be down. I think the most he offered me was 11. Yeah, it's in the 400s for miles, so it'll pencil out even with my deadhead over there, but I would really like to get that 13. The Sioux City to Leroy was going to be 13, so I'd like to get that, but I'm sort of letting it sit. I might even wait until tomorrow morning. I might risk it and call him when I get into Sioux City tomorrow morning. See if he's willing. I'm sure day of he's willing to negotiate, because that's been TQL's. They get approved for more money on day of. So, all right, that's all I got today. We got the old girl washed, and well, this morning we went down a no truck road. Comment down below your experience with that. I'd love to hear some stories. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment down below, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.